Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Teacher Joanne, and I'm here to solve another word problem solving exercise using bar models. This is the one step part whole addition model and the one about the fruits. Are you ready? All right, let's go. So the word problem goes Mrs. Jones buys 9 pears and 4 oranges. How many pieces of fruit does Mrs. Jones buy altogether? Okay, so we read the problem as a whole and then we try to draw the given if we can. So Mrs. Jones buys 9 pears. So we'll draw the 9 pears. And oranges, just so the students know what the problem is all about. The next is we will draw the bar model to represent this. Again, we read the problem and break it down into chunks. Mrs. Jones buys 9 pears. So the rectangle here, the green one, will represent the pears. I put a 9 here, there, to represent the number of pears that Mrs. Jones bought. And then she also bought 4 oranges. So we will draw another rectangle here on the right side, label them as oranges, and then put the 4 here. Okay, so we drew the first sentence already. The next sentence is, how many pieces of fruit does Mrs. Jones buy altogether? So we'll just, since this is a question, we'll put a question mark, and we will also put a bracket on what we are looking for. Okay, so at this point, pat ourselves on the back because we successfully drew the bar model, right? Okay, and then the next step is to focus on the bar with our analysis. So what are we going to do next? Question is, are we looking for the part or a whole? I think we're looking for the whole, right? Because this is the whole of the fruits. So what do you do if you're looking for the whole? We're going to add, right? So it becomes 9 plus 4 equals blank. Okay, and in here, we want to reinforce what the kids learn on the number bonds, no? For easy mental addition. So we can say that you can break down the 4 into 1 and 3. And if you break it down, then you have 9 plus 1 equals to 10 plus 3 equals 13. So the answer is Mrs. Jones buys 13 pieces of fruit altogether. All right, so again, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Teacher Joanne for 2 Minute Maths, making maths short and sweet.